First, we will remove the fan cover by disengaging the clips using a Bojo tool, continuing to disconnect the hazard switch in the process. Looking now to the fascia, we'll remove both of the screws that hold it into place and disconnect the wiring in the process. We will then repeat this process again, but this time with the head unit. Attach the brackets found within your kit to your new head unit. Use the fascia panel as a guide on where to seat them. Grab the CTS BM009.2 and begin to attach all of the relevant connections to the back of the head unit, as well as attaching the patch lead to the interface box. Once the head unit is fully connected, begin to make all the relevant connections to the vehicle's wiring. Note that the yellow 12 volt permanent wire needs to be attached to a 12 volt battery source in order for the head unit to function correctly. When the head unit has been tried and tested, re-screw it back into place. Take both the AC and the DTC button panels from your original fascia and relocate them onto your new CT23 BM14. Grab the trim from your kit and attach it to the inside of the CT23 BM14 fascia. This can either be glued or soldered into place. Now that the panel has been fully assembled, reconnect all of the wiring and both clip and screw it back into place. Bring back the fan cover and reattach it whilst connecting the hazard switch. Because the top display is now defunct, we'll remove both of the screws that hold it into place and remove it whilst disconnecting both of the wires. Once out of the way, we will then insert our new blanking panel into the recess. When screwed in, we will finally place down the rubber mat to finish the installation. With the CTK BM23 kit fully installed, your new head unit will seamlessly work in correlation with your steering wheel controls.